and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put together photopolymer and cling stamp sets. It's very easy. I do have a trick though for the cling stamp set, so let's start with that one. So this is the Strong and Beautiful stamp set, and there are 12 stamps in here. I'm not going to show you all 12, but I'm going to show you maybe 2 just so we get the hang of how to put them together. So first what I do is I take off the backings. I try to do it all at once. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't, which is fine. But then we're going to take out, let's do this stamp, and we'll do this one. And make sure your backings are off, and then you just have to find which one goes with it. So this one goes here. So you take your sticker, and what the stamp set recommends you do is to peel off the outside. I peel off the entire thing, and that is the cling side. So this side is not permanent, it's just the cling side. Then I take a block and put that onto the block, and then I peel off my outer backing. Now this side is the sticky side. Once you put it on your stamp, there really is it's hard to remove. You can get it off, but it might damage the foam here on the stamp. So then all I do is I just line it up and push. And it's pretty much perfectly on there. So that way when I'm stamping, I can see right where my words are going to go. So let's do this other one just so you get the hang of it. See what sticker I need. This one. Like I said, you peel off the whole sticker. Get a block that it would fit on. And then peel off the backing. Turn your stamp over. And I like to use grid paper to just line it up too. And then press. And that one's just a little bit crooked, but not enough to really make too much of a difference. And you know what? Let's just do one more of the cling. So this one, this is a nice big stamp. So again, you peel off the whole thing, and then you could even take these off if you wanted to. Just remember what side is your cling side and what side is your sticker side or your permanent side. You flip your stamp over, line it up, and that's done. So now let's move on, and I'm going to show you how I put together photopolymer stamps. And we also have wood mounted stamps. I personally don't order those anymore. Most of our stamps that come in wood mount also come in either cling, usually cling. So I don't order the wood mount stamps anymore. Those are fairly easy to put together too. You have to mount the red rubber stamp, like the cling ones, to the wood block, and then there's a sticker to put on the opposite side of the wood block. If it's harder to see because obviously there's a wood block there, they're not see-through like our cling stamps or photopolymers, and the cling stamps aren't really see-through, but the stickers are, to be able to place them. And so what I'm doing now is I'm just taking all my stamps off of the sheet, and there is a rumor that Stampin' Up will be basically doing what I'm doing now with future stamp sets. They're getting rid of the stock of these ones that they have first. And what I do is I take this window sheet, and it has all the images of the stamp set on it, and I take glue dots, put it in the corners. I mean, it doesn't really matter because it's going inside the stamp case. And then I take my stamp case, flip it over, and just slide that insert in. And so what Stampin' Up! I think is doing is making it so that way that is already printed there. So then what I do is I take my stamps and I just line them back up. And for me, this makes it a lot easier for me to find the stamp I'm looking for. So when you look at the front, you see all the pictures like, oh, I want that way out, and up there it is. And it makes it a smoother time stamping, so you're not spending a bunch of time looking for a particular stamp. And so that's pretty much it today. I don't have to put all these on for you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, comment, leave me a message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.